We are en route to the winter camp. First trip of 2021 in a blizzard. It's really nice though. I have a lot of weight in my left hand. There we go. Baby in my 75-liter bag. That's what I have on my back. New jacket. And we have a 30-foot tarp today. Slippery, very slippery. Oh, some people. Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy. How are ya? Hey, buddy. How are you, buddy? How's it going?
Hey.
Great weather?
Yeah. Have a nice day.
Yeah, happy New Year. Have a good day. Crazy path on the way in there. We're past the bad part, so it's really coming down. 25 centimeters forecast. It's very nice though. We're very high up right now. The rocks. Last day for my summer tires, and we'll retire those.
Where am I going?
Alright, we'll be back. We'll be back. Down and through and up there.
Wow. That thing is hanging there.
Yeah, that's crazy, eh?
What they call widowmaker.
Alright, we'll be back.